Duolingo to hablar. Introduction video about gender. So in Spanish, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. Often nouns ending in O if they are masculine and A if they are feminine. So El Niño, the boy, ends with O, so refers to a boy. La Niña ends with a A, refers to feminine, that is the girl. Notice how you use L if the word is masculine and La if the word is feminine. The apple is a girl. It's not just people that are masculine or feminine in Spanish. Objects are too. El pan, the bread. La manzana, the apple. Not sure what gender something is. Look at the. If the word uses L, it is masculine. If the word uses la, it's feminine. I think therefore, in English, verb form changes depending on who is doing the action. For example, we say I am, you are, and she is. In Spanish, you do the same thing. So for objects and verb, ser, in Spanish we say. So yo means I am, so we are using yo soy. Tú means you. So we use in English you are. So for are we use eres. Tú eres. Él, he is. So we use s in place of is. So it is ls. Ella, for she we use. So she is, it is ella es. Yo soy una niña. Tú eres un niño. I am a girl. You are a boy. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.